The good times are here to start out the work week. Right now, 68 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Those winds out of the south-southeast at 8 miles per hour, making it feel like 69 degrees. As we look throughout the state of Michigan, very uniform in the lower peninsula in those 60s, 62 in Gaylord, 61 in Oscoda, 66 in Alpena, 65 in Lansing. The warm actually is in the upper peninsula. As you can see, 73 in Ironwood, 70 in Iron Mountain. As we take a closer look at those temperatures right now, you can see 68 in Marquette, but throughout the region into those upper 60s to low 70s, 68 in Ontonagon, 68 in Crystal Falls. So very uniform with that 68, a little bit more cooler towards the east thanks to that cloud cover still lingering from that upper level low as it's now into parts of New England. 66 in Munising, 65 in Sault Ste. Marie. As we look at that satellite radar, we still have some of those clouds still lingering in the lower peninsula, and that will eventually push its way towards the east, closer to us. The sunshine is breaking through, and it will become more sunny galore as we go into your Monday and eventually into your Tuesday as well. As you can see, the headlines going into the next couple of days, warm and quiet for tomorrow. The rain begins to march in on Wednesday, and the cool down that will go with it will really be felt as we go into the weekend. As we look at that futurecast, we could have some patchy fog towards the east of Marquette tonight, so really do exercise caution tomorrow morning, especially going to work and school. Have those low beams on, but do exercise caution while driving because there could still be some patchy fog as you wake up tomorrow. By the time we get into tomorrow, really the clouds will begin to increase late in the day into the nighttime hours, and by Wednesday, that's where really we're going to see the first round of the rain. That will really be the cold front. The low pressure attached to it will actually race from the west with the front as we go towards Friday. Thursday will be more of an in-between day where we're kind of just stuck with some clouds lingering around, so we're kind of just in that in-between one and the other as we go into Thursday and eventually Friday. But right now, enjoy the warm 70s all the way up to the Canadian border ahead of the cold front. Low pressure is situated right now in the eastern Rockies and western plains where there's a severe thunderstorm threat through the western Dakotas all the way down to Nebraska. And you can also even see some snow into parts of the higher elevations of the Rocky Mountains. But as we go into tomorrow, the rain pushes in more towards the east into Minnesota. The warmth continues with that southerly flow, so temperatures could repeat themselves today, as you can see in those upper 60s to low 70s. For tonight, 57 degrees with that patchy fog and those winds out of the south at 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow with that southerly flow, those temperatures are going to try to climb to that 70-degree mark, 69 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 68 in Houghton, 66 in Marquette. So overall, very uniform in those upper 60s, maybe some low 70s. And as we go into the next 7 days, we have that umbrella with you on Wednesday, 60% chance of rain. Thursday, we're kind of just in that in-between state before the second batch of rain comes in on Friday. And then the real cool down begins on Friday as those temperatures tumble into the upper 40s by the weekend. So really go hang on, get those sweaters ready by the time we get to the weekend before conditions overall stay in that cooler weather as we start the next work week.